I appreciate you all. We're at 3,166 subscribers. Let's go. This month kind of popped off. Won't even lie to the people. 168K views. 132K. 149K more than usual. My usual. Take a look at April. 57. Take a look at March. 35. 50K. You know, it was decent, but nothing crazy. And then last month, absolutely popped off. And then this month, like, decent. 249 subscribers this month. Last month, a little bit more. April, a little bit more. June, a little bit more. But, like, considering I'm not really making videos to be like, yo, subscribe. That's pretty solid. Bro has 1 million views in total and has 13.6K subscribers. Yes, sir. You know, take a look. In the last 48 hours, we've gotten 11,000 views. Last 60 minutes, we've gotten 51 views. Let's get down to business, generating 40 views. Sky Island cart game, 36 views. A lot of this is YouTube Shorts, which doesn't drive like my goals to get monetized in terms of like what I need. But like these long form videos and like the streams obviously do. So I've been saying it before, but like I'm so close to monetization. So we're at 3404 public hours watch time, and we just need to hit one of these. So we need to hit 4,000, which is very close. We're very close to doing that, and once we do, that'll be absolutely fantastic. Get monetized, have a great time. You know, we're just vibing. 2K views from videos, 1.6K from live streams. If you guys want to see something very funny, people who watch my YouTube shorts, 87%. 12% watch both, 1% watch videos, shorts and lives. Barely anyone who watches my shorts checks out my lives. 1%. 2% watch live only. And then this is pretty funny. There's 16% of people that only watch my live streams. They do not watch any of my like other content for the most part. Yo, a hero of the people, Blink. Hero of the people. So 86% of my views came from YouTube Shorts. 8.8% from YouTube search. In June, we got 138K impressions. 30% from YouTube recommending content. Pretty powerful. 69% from other methods. 3.8% click-through rate. So we got 5.2K views and 366.89 watch hours. Kind of lit. You guys want to see something funny? In the month of June, that's right, I lost 134 subscribers. In the month of June, I literally lost 134. I gained 360 from YouTube Shorts, 17 from live streams. Heroes of the people watching the lives. That's you guys right now. Appreciate ya. And 6% from videos. But yeah, literally there's 134 people that were like, we're good. We're good. We actually don't like the content that you're making. One day I lost 10, 11, 3, 5. Almost every day in the month of June, I lost 2 people at least. That's crazy. People were like, actually, I hate that. Thank you very much. Subscription source, what was driving it? Shorts. Shorts was driving most of my subscriptions. YouTube home, I lost 2 people. I popped up on their home feed and they're like, actually, I don't like watching that content. Same with subscription feeds. 5 of the accounts were because the accounts don't exist on YouTube anymore. 12 accounts were from subscription channel lists. So you go to your list of channels and you're like, unsubscribe from that, please. Thank you very much. And 115 from other. But dude, I actually lost 13 subscribers from shorts, which to me is like the funniest thing ever. Because that means people watched my YouTube short and were like, oh, I did not like that. And then saw that they were subscribed and were like, I'm unsubscribing from this.
Me. Just like me, for real.
Yo. 14 people went directly to my channel to really make it personal and unsubscribing. And then 14 people went to my channel to subscribe. So we're at a net 0 there. And then 23 for the watch page. 3 lost. And then, funny enough, 18% of my total watch hours come from 1% of my total views, because subscribers on average view my content for 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Heroes of the people. Heroes of the people. Appreciate it. Whereas non-subscribers on average view me for 24 seconds. And then the watch hours that actually count, I'll show you guys, because this is pretty funny. AJ, I don't know if I've ever shown you this, but like in the month of June, I've gotten 374 watch hours from live streams, because live streams are carrying my watch time. If I didn't do lives, I don't think I would have gotten monetized. Like, I don't think I would get monetized this year, because from YouTube, like videos, I've only gotten 109 hours in the month of June. In the last 365 days, YouTube videos only account for 689 of my 3,400 watch hours. Literally, you go to live, and live is 2,460 watch hours. Heroes of the people. 15-minute average view duration on lives. Alrighty, well that was my quick view on stats. Don't know if people liked that or not, but we're getting there.